all these amazing machines. This place is so busy. Hello, everyone. We're here to help. Safety first. Let's put on our helmets. Oh, I look like a real construction worker now. Good morning. We're ready to help however we can. Welcome to the site. First rule, always stay in safe zones and follow hand signals. Look at all these tools scattered around. That doesn't look safe. Oh, we should help organize them. A tidy site is a safe site. Let's put the hammers here and the wrenches over there. Woo! I've got the toolbox ready. Everything has its proper place. These planks are lighter than they look. Let's stack them neatly. I'm making sure they're all lined up straight and even. Look at how precisely it moves. The operator has such skill. Whoa! Look at it go! That bucket can move so much dirt!
Back up slowly. Stop. Perfect positioning.
I'm staying right here in the safe zone like we learned.
A clean site prevents slips and trips. Every little bit helps. Got the dustpan ready. Let's get ready. Let's get all the tick pieces. Staying hydrated is so important, especially when working hard. Water for everyone. You've all been working so hard.
These cones need to be visible and in good condition to mark safe paths. I'm spacing them evenly so everyone can see the safe walkway.
These signs warn about important hazards. They need to be clear and visible. I'll hold it right here so you can secure it properly. As crane operators, we have to calculate loads carefully and communicate constantly.
There's so much to learn. Every job here is important.
One final check to make sure everything is tidy and safe.
I'm so happy we could help make this site better and safer.
Look how much better everything is organized. What a difference! We did it! The site looks amazing and much safer now. This traffic light is completely out of sync. We need to fix this before rush hour. Oh, the control circuit is fried. I can see the problem from here out. We need to replace the main cable. Right, let's get it done. I'll need to get up there. The access panel is about 15 feet up. Sang, steady yourself. Ready? Let's do this. Safety first. I'll secure the area while you prepare the equipment. Everyone staying clear. The area is secure for you to begin.
I need the replacement cable. The old one is too damaged to salvage.
Got it, boss. Here's the new one.
Perfect.
Thank you, Sang. Anytime, Gaga.
Steady now. I've got the ladder secure. Take your time with the connection. Almost there. Just need to secure these connections properly. You've got this, Gaga. Looking good up there. Ready to test it when you are. There we go. Power is restored. The red light is working perfectly. Yeah. All right, Gaga. Looks great. Perfect transition timing. The sequence is working exactly as programmed. Pedestrian signals are synchronized too. The entire system is back online. I'll clear the safety equipment. Traffic is back to normal now. Traffic is back to normal now. Another job well done. The city keeps moving thanks to proper maintenance. Final systems check complete. Everything is operating within specifications. Thanks for the quick fix, Gaga. You really saved the day here. Just doing my job. Teamwork makes it possible. Ready for the next one? There's always more work in a city this size.
Always ready. Let's keep the city moving smoothly.
This neighborhood needs our help. Let's make it clean and beautiful again. We'll start with the sidewalk, then move to the park area. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Absolutely. I'm ready to clean every corner. Careful sweeping gets all the small pieces. Every bit of trash matters.
The cart is filling up nicely. This street is looking better already. Proper bin management prevents litter from spreading. Let's secure these lids. A little water makes everything shine. Ready for the final wipe? Ready when you are.
Perfect! These benches are ready for people to enjoy again. The playground should be the cleanest spot. Kids deserve a safe place to play.
Organized bags make disposal easier. The park is transforming before our eyes. The blower gets into corners the broom can't reach. Teamwork for complete cleaning. Double-checking ensures we didn't miss anything. Perfection in the details. Alleys often get overlooked. Let's make this one sparkle too.
From dusty to delightful, every space deserves to be clean.
Whoa, last bag's going in. The square looks completely transformed. Cleaning up our cleaning equipment, you doubt. The final step of any good job. Mission accomplished! The whole neighborhood is sparkling clean. Happy residents are the best reward. A clean neighborhood benefits everyone. Wow, hey, great teamwork today. We make an excellent cleaning duo. Tools packed, job done. Another neighborhood restored to beauty. I must act fast.
On a sunny day, Pop Pot was patrolling the city, ready to help.
There's a fire! Pot Pot quickly prepared his firefighting tools.
Stay calm, little fire. Oh! Yeah.
Slowly but surely, the fire was under control.
Pot Pot always checks to make sure everything is safe.
Safety first! Safety first! The city was safe once more!
Helping others is my favorite job.
With courage and care, Pop Pot keeps everyone safe.
Hello, police car! Ready for our patrol today? Almost, Boo Cap. Just waiting for final clearance. Beep, beep! Good morning, Boo Cap. All systems are go for patrol.
Let's go! The city looks so beautiful and peaceful today.
Safety first. Always stop for a red light, just like the rules say. Green means go. Let's continue our patrol. Good morning, everyone. Keeping the park safe and peaceful for all. The playground looks safe and fun. Everything is in order here. It's a bit tight here. I'll keep a lookout on this side. Yeah! Just letting everyone know we're here. All clear? All clear! Everything is safe and quiet here. Look at them go! The fountain is so pretty! picking up the pace. There's still more of the city to see. The river is so shiny today. It looks like diamonds.
There it is, our city. It's our job to keep it safe and shining.
It's amazing. We're doing a great job protecting it. Hello, neighborhood. We're here, keeping everything nice and safe. Scanning the area. All readings are normal. A peaceful afternoon. Look, Sang, the moon is waiting for us. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Hi. Hand down, kid. Helmet seals are secure. All systems are go.
Oh, I can't believe we're really doing this.
Ready for takeoff. Initiating launch sequence. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Let's go! Let's go!
And wheel lift off. We are on our way.
Wow! Look at our home! It's so beautiful from up here. Oh, it's huge! We're almost there! One small step. The surface is stable. Wow! This is incredible! We did it! We did it! Our flag is on the moon! Over here, Sang. These ones look really special. This crater is deep. Imagine the impact that created it.
Say cheese, moon. This is gonna be an amazing photo.
Easy does it. Small steps. The gravity is only 1/6 here. Whoa! It's like being on a giant trampoline. Thanks, Sang.
From here, all our problems seem so small. It's just home.